wasn't Sam Crow, it was Mayan filth killed my guy.
Have your statement. We'll look into your accusations.
Accusation. Arrogant piece of shit. Hey! He's an asshole!
You okay?
Shithead caught me off guard.
Put him in holding.
Oh, yeah, that's right. Arrest the white guy. Let the wetbacks and coons shoot up whoever they want to shoot up.
Oh, yeah. You do know that I'm married to a dark-skinned woman, right?
Yeah, I know that.
Just making sure.
I didn't see this coming. Us and the Mexicans has been kind of quiet.
I'm not an idiot. I know it was the Mayans torched your warehouse last month.
Yeah, but coming after me and here Darby, that's a new kind of boldness.
Me and you, whatever the hell this is now, always had one thing we played out together. Keeping blood and greed away from our front door.
Well, we've done that.
Until now. And my fear is, knowing the amount of pride stuffed into that cut, it will not end here.
Don't get involved in my endgame, okay, old friend?
I'm not an old friend, remember? I'm an old cop. And this old cop is telling you the tit for tat can't go on.
Fine. We done titting and tatting.
You take out that Mayan boss, and you will trip a wire that sends this town into the history books. The bad guys will leave the ghetto and bring their filthy game to Charming. And next time, it won't be a few of Darby's scumbags who go down. It'll be one of your guys, or Floyd, or some kid or something. See where I'm going with this? Deal always was. Outlaws live in Charming. Shit beyond the borders. You can't change the rules, or it all goes to hell. And that, my old friend, is exactly what Captain America out there wants. Hell to break out in Charming, followed by all the things that put the devil in place. It's for my cancer. I got a card. What the hell is this?
Little family reunion.
Holy shit. Did you hear anything that I just...
Enough, all right? You're a goddamn angst is giving me cancer. I heard you plea. Loud and clear.